Okay guys, this is a 2023 Model X. It's a 6-passenger. It is a rebuilt title, did have some front end damage. All been fixed up. Has gone through the high voltage test from Tesla. It's passed, so it supercharges. So our hardware 3, 27,000 miles. So looks like it has about 30% charge, 90 miles. So pretty close to 300, like 280 range. So it does have full self-drive. Just got to pay the monthly subscription. A couple of the other upgrades that you can get. So your cameras. All your different apps. These are wireless phone chargers. Cup holders. Now, one of my cleaner's bottles here. So during that high voltage test, they test the battery, make sure everything's good to go. One of my favorite features is the automatic doors. All doors open and close. You can close these from the inside without touching them. It's got decent tires. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.